Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you, step by step, how to fix the SMS issue on Telegram. Before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like the video. This really helps others who might be facing the same problem. Alright, let's get started. Open your Telegram app. If the screen looks the same as mine, start by completely deleting the app from your phone. Then, go to the Play Store and download Telegram again. Once the installation is done, open the app. If you already have an account, just enter your same details, your phone number, followed by your email address. You'll receive a verification code in your inbox. After entering the code, wait about 1 to 2 minutes, then request a new SMS verification code to be sent to your phone number. And that's it. The problem should now be fixed.